tarry a while here, a stranger, unnoticed by those who pass by. But the Savior will crown us in glory to shine as the star of the sky. We shall shine as the stars of the morning with Jesus the crucified one. We shall rise